everybody. So, as we get into the Christmas and to the holiday season, into New Year's, uh, what's your New Year's and Christmas? The What's your buy as far as like the next year? What you think is going to happen the next year for stocks? I think my picks are still going to be the same. I'm still looking into Tesla, Google, Amazon, Apple, all the Meta, the Majestic 7, as they say, a little bit Microsoft and Uber. I'm really focusing on Tesla, Palantir, and Uber. Those are the ones that I'm really think are the continue to be the next winners. I really think that Palantir and Uber are the gems that are, a couple years down the road, you're gonna be wishing you would have got into them at these prices, especially Palantir and especially Uber with the self-driving cars coming up and everything like that. Most people were kind of putting them off, but their business model is kind of having tentacles right now, getting into Uber Eats and everything like that. But this is just a quick video on next year, what I'm thinking. I'm just going to continue, adding into all my accounts, M1, E-Trade, and Interactive Brokers. And I think you should have like multiple accounts like I do. It's good to spread your plays all over the place, the long-term bets. But that's my plan. Right now I have my M1 Finance. I just have it a lot of dividend, but then I throw them back into the Majestic 7, those kind of stocks, and keep that growth going. And that's worked out really well. And then, of course, I'm just heavy into Tesla. And so those are my ideas for next year, just to stick with tech. And I think the rates are going to maybe even lower them next year, maybe 3 rate cuts. I think that will boost everything back up, even with crypto as well, with Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other ones will kind of follow in its place. But really next year, I'm still focusing on tech, and I think that's just the way to go. Tech and Ethereum is even Bitcoin, and those are my plays that I think I'll just keep continuing to. You can't go wrong. I wouldn't really mess around with speculation. I've kind of burned a couple times with even last year on speculation plays, and just it's not worth it. And the ones that got burned are just really small plays that I even got into, and so just make sure you put a stop if you do mess around with speculation plays. It's not something that you really want to. That's why 90% of day traders, they lose money and they get accounts blown out and everything like that. So that's not my goal lately. So it's just the long term. Try to pick the winners. Try to pick something that's going to 10x, like how Tesla was. Like you got to try to pick those long-term plays that could really turn into the next Google, the next Amazon. They're out there, but you got to be patient. That's what it took Tesla like 7 years for it to do that. And so you got to be patient on these. I think like Palantir and Uber, they're really ones I'm looking at, and I'm sure there's other ones out there, but you got to spread it around. I mean, you can only put so much money into so many things, and like Shopify, I'm getting into as well. But you really gotta focus on a couple of them that you think are going to be the next winners, and just go long term like that. So Palantir and Uber are for me, and of course Tesla. So you gotta trying to find the next Tesla. Maybe that's in Palantir, but we'll see. But this is a quick video, and if you like this video, hit like, subscribe. Really cool if you subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. This is just my take, what I think is going to happen next year. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor or anything like that. But anyways, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.